The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways (MoRTH) has proposed new mandatory tyre norms for manufacturers. The new norms will help improve the fuel efficiency and braking of vehicles. The new star rating system will include several tyre performance indicators. This includes rolling resistance, wet grip and tyre noise level. These ratings are in line with international rating systems that are followed in Europe and other markets in the Middle East. The new norms will have to be followed by all tyre manufacturers in the country for all formats of tyres, two-wheelers, cars, buses and heavy vehicles. Apart from the local manufacturers, companies importing tyres will have to comply with the norms as well. In a draft released by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, it proposes the new tyre norms to be applicable from October this year. Meanwhile, all existing tyre models will need to follow the rating and scoring system from October 2022. Tyres that are available in India are awarded the BIS benchmark by Tyre Quality Control Order to determine the performance of the tyre. However, the rating system does not provide a clear idea to customers purchasing the tyres for their vehicle. Speaking about the three performance indicators for the tyre proposed by the government, a higher rolling resistance value indicates improved fuel efficiency. Similarly, a higher wet grip rating points to the better braking performance of the tyre. On the other hand, the low road noise levels indicate enhanced ride quality. CEAT is one of the early adopters of the upcoming star rating and performance indicators for tyres in the Indian market. The company has launched the Fuel Smart and the Secure Drive tyre range with the aforementioned ratings and indicators. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.